I was denied because my wife hid the appointment letter. That's why I'm learning about VAWA, because I honestly believe I was abused. Many times this happens. Unfortunately, this is not an uncommon situation, right? So if you're filing for a marriage-based application, the spouse, an abusive spouse, sometimes hides that information from you. I had a client who had no idea he was in removal proceedings. He was in removal proceedings, no clue. We found out when we were doing the removal of conditions application. We saw that he had been ordered removed. He had no clue. So we had to essentially reopen that case, file a new application, to file a VAWA and not a removal of conditions. So there's just a different things, and it was all because his wife had hid the letters coming in from USCIS. So his wife had hid them, and he was ordered removed. He had a deportation order issued by the court against him. So if he was walking and he was stopped, he was going to be removed because they had already decided that he should be removed. So had no idea. So we checked that for him. He was very grateful that we found that out, and we were able to start the process to get all of this fixed and get him back in status. And fingers crossed, we'll be able to get him a green card, which is very, very exciting. And all this without the help of his spouse. Okay, so if you want to do that, if you are in that situation where you have a US citizen spouse or a green card holder spouse, that's going to be a little bit more complicated now. Things are changing. But if you have a spouse who is a US citizen or a green card holder, and you want to be able to file for your application, your spouse is not helping you, maybe they're abusive, or you're having issues with them, it might qualify as abuse, call us. We can talk with you. Just remember, you don't need physical abuse. All you need is emotional, psychological, verbal. Other types of abuse can count towards your VAWA application. So call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.